Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, we are going to see that if you just want to get rid of this extra sections that you have inserted as a mistake, how can we easily delete that? So all you have to do is just select that particular section, just right click on that and click delete. There you go. And the section is completely deleted. Now, if you are facing this kind of problem, it's not about the section, it's about the settings. So basically it should be like this. Sections is if you have accidentally inserted a section just like that, just like the blank section, like I've inserted right here, it should show something like this. So just make sure that you're deleting the section properly and not the original content. So let's click on delete, and this is how it is done. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.